i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar 926M wheel loader. This machine runs and operates excellent. Does have that 3 cubic yard cat bucket on the front. Also has the hydraulic quick attach in case you're going to be swapping between buckets or forks. Full cab, cold AC, rear view camera. Good tires, fenders, power mirrors. All the glass is good, the mirrors are good. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you if you prefer. We are open by appointment only though. Just give us a call to get on the counter. We want to make sure we have the gate unlocked for you. If you'd like a hauling quote, this machine is a legal load. So again, it shipped to you, shouldn't be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with that full delivery address. We'll share it with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment just sitting around, not being utilized to its full potential, give us a shout or check out our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for that good ready to work equipment that they can put to work on their ranch, farm, or job site. We can help you get your equipment sold. My operator today is more of an excavator guy, so have a little patience with him as he's working the loader for us. Does have the working reversal arm, has thumb shift. In case I didn't say it earlier, it does have ride control. We'll let him get parked, and then we'll take a real close look around at all the access panels, the engine, and then finally we'll have up in the operator station. In that operator station, it has the Caterpillar suspension seat as well as a factory operator's manual. That bucket is 100 inches wide. We said earlier, 3 cubic yard capacity. This machine has excellent power. Bolt-on cutting edge. Condensation from the air conditioner. tires. Storage in case you need to take along some fluids or tools with you. Diesel fill's gonna be right there. I see absolutely no blow-by at this time. I hit the seat here, release to shut that. This is a made in America machine. The way the quick attach works is it just has hooks that hang over this top pin, and then it has pins that hydraulically go in and out on the bottom down there. Removable rubber floor mat in case you need to take it out and clean it. There's your operator's manual, 12-volt plug-in for charging your phone or whatever else. Factory Caterpillar suspension seat with a cat seat cover. Nice cold working AC. A little dusty here, let's check it out. Currently sitting at 54.98 hours. I don't see any lights, just a parking brake light on because we have a parking brake set. This is how you shift, for neutral, reverse. All your different controls. It's going to be a hydraulic lock, parking brake lock, ignition, hydraulic quick attach, 12-volt cup holders. Up here you've got your radio, your HVAC, and your lights. The power mirrors, which do work. Radio works. Good working radio. In here you've got a little storage box. Appreciate you taking time to watch. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at i35equipment.com, as well as all the photos and specs. Any questions? Would you like to schedule a time to come look it over for yourself? Just give us a shout. 415-833-6437. Thanks for taking time to watch. i35equipment.com. Today we're in the Caterpillar 926M wheel loader. Going to be showing you how to use the hydraulic quick attach system. Your first step, you got it running, ready to go. Hydraulic lock is off. Parking brake is currently on in this machine though. We're just going to curl that bucket all the way back. We're going to slide this little red tab up and then cycle that rocker switch down. Get a good view of it there. And then you're going to continue to curl the bucket back. That's going to release the pins. And then when you uncurl, guys, zoom in here so you can see it actually unhook. Maybe that's too far in. See it unhook. There we go. We're currently unhooked. Gonna release that parking brake so we can have a little room to roll back. And we are unhooked, checking for people around us, putting it in reverse. And here we go, backing out from it. Super easy, works great. Now, gonna put it back in neutral. Hold this arm up, the loader up, so you can kind of see. And it's not perfect, but I give you an idea of what's going on down there. So what's happening first is you would be scooping underneath the hooks of your Forkson bucket with that top pin. And then when you're ready to latch on, you'd have it in a full curl. You would then hit this button to engage the hydraulic quick attach and pin it back on with the lower pins. Do hope that video is beneficial to you. We're going to go ahead and hook it back up. Take your time if this is your first time to do it, and if it's your 100th time to do it. Take your time, make sure no one's around you, be careful, use caution, check with your operator's manual as machines do vary. But we do hope this video is beneficial to you. It gives you an idea of what you should be doing when you're hooking up your quick attach. Here we go. Just coming back up to it. See these two yellow triangles on either side? I'll zoom in. There's one right there. There's one on the other. If you perfectly lined up inside the ears of your bucket, they're kind of guide you up in there. And zoom back out of here. Just gonna get underneath those. We're going to scoop underneath the bucket, full curl, bringing it back into this resting position. The next step is, again, to latch in. And then once you've attached that and flip your rocker switch back to the lock position, just going to curl that bucket, make sure you're in full lock. Next is your safety check, no one's around. So now you're going to check to make sure the bucket actually is tight and there's no play. There we go, ready to go. Do hope that video is beneficial to you. If you're in the market for used heavy equipment, you want to see our full and up-to-date inventory online at i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.